to take a deeper dive and look into these rulings.
Stephen Schwinn, a law professor at UIC, is back with us tonight. Professor Schwinn, pleasure to have you here with us again.
Thanks so much for having me, Rob.
Let's start with President Biden's vow to provide loan relief. What paths are there for him to take legally?
Well, so he has a couple of interim administrative things that he can do to provide interim relief, but longer term, what he's looking at is an act called the Higher Education Act, which gives the administration, Rob, a little bit more flexibility than the HEROES Act gave the administration to grant this kind of relief. But there is a hitch, and the hitch is that the administration has to jump through some additional administrative hoops before it can make that happen. And so it's going to be on a longer time horizon.
Well, student loan payments will come due in the fall, Professor. So is there any current legal hope for the millions of students and the people who are impacted by this?
Yeah, it's a great question, Liz. And so President Biden this afternoon announced some interim measures that the administration will take to provide that kind of relief. Those are available to viewers at the Department of Education website that goes into greater detail about the things that the administration can do now while it's going through this administrative process that I talked about to provide longer-term relief for borrowers.
Let's go back to that other big ruling today. The court saying a graphic designer can refuse to work with same-sex couples. What kind of changes could this lead to?
Wow, Rob, this could be a really sweeping ruling, and we just don't know how far it will reach. What the court said was, because this was a web designer and they were involved in core free speech type activities, that their free speech was protected against the Colorado anti-discrimination law. But the court didn't tell us exactly what free speech means. So we don't know, for example, does this extend only to websites? Does it extend to other forms of literal speech? Or does it extend to forms of symbolic speech or even other kinds of services that all businesses provide to everybody? Just how far does this extend? We don't yet know.
And Professor, I've been wondering that same thing all afternoon because, of course, we had the case before the Supreme Court before with the cake baker with same-sex weddings. Now we have the web designer. Are we going to see florists? Are we going to see photographers? Are we going to see all facets of weddings? Is this going to spread into other businesses as well? How do you read this?
Liz, I think that's exactly right. I think we will see a spate of activity and a spate of lawsuits in response where different service providers are going to decline to provide services to different segments of our population based on one belief or another in the name of free speech. Now, this was a case dealing with LGBTQ rights, but there's nothing in the case that cabins it to the LGBT community. So, for example, a business that decided that it didn't want to serve Black people, for example, can they make an argument like this? Well, we just don't know. There doesn't appear to be anything in the case that would prohibit that kind of claim.
Professor Schwinn from UIC, we really enjoyed having you the last couple of days to break this down for us. Hope you'll join us again when we get some major rulings from the Supreme Court.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.